Hey guys, I'm John with Hops and Brews, and today we're going to be checking out some gin. So today we're going to be checking out some flaxseed infused gin, Weaver's Dry Gin from Ireland. This is a 42.5% gin sent to us from a wonderful patron from Ireland. So let's check this out. We were weavers. In honor of the men and women who labored in the flax field and linen mills of Ireland, we have crafted Weaver's Gin, a citrus burst of pink grapefruit interwoven with sweet floral notes and delicate drapes of the creamy smoothness of a genuine Irish flaxseed. All right, so let's check this gin out. It's just crystal clear. It's beautiful looking. Aromatics. If you love gin, that's the whole point of gin, is the aromatics. And this does not disappoint in the aromatics. You taste that juniper, but then that flaxseed and the citrus note like they're talking about. It does smell of grapefruit. Oh man, that smells delicious. Cheers. Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa. I actually get like dandelion greenness to it, and then now I hit sweetness with the citrus notes. Doesn't taste dry though. It tastes like a sweetened gin almost because there's so much malt in it. It tastes very good. It's smooth. It's wonderful. This is a gin you drink straight. This is a fantastic aromatics, fantastic tasting. The leggings on this gin is fantastic. So it's 85 proof. There's a little burn, if you would call it a burn, and it's like minutes after you drink it. Man, if you are in the UK or anywhere in the EU, Weaver's Gin is fantastic. Pick some up. Cheers, guys.